Got the man, Jordy Richardson, Aussie Travels with the skid steer. Oh, and the logs are about to go. Look at him. Look how many he's got on there. We got some big culverts, big tires, new enduro cross track we're building today, right here next to the kids track at Twin Hills Cycle Ranch. Yeah, buddy, it's gonna be epic. Yeah, he's a beast on the skid steer. Watch, he'll have this thing built in like a couple hours. Dirty's kicking up in here too. This is some primo dirt under this grass.
Shit grass
Yeah. Yeah, we're getting the shit grass, piling it up. But there is good dirt over here, baby. Good dirt. All right, we got the skid steer out here. Aussie Travels today. All right, yeah, he's got to hit his wheelie, start off the day. We already moved some of the obstacles in the way, but let's get the wheelie in the sunset. Not the sunset, the sunrise. Here we go. Can you wheelie on a skid steer? Oh yeah! Wheelie the dirt. If you can wheelie the dirt bike, you can wheelie the skid steer. So we got some logs we pulled from the other side of the property. That's gonna be our matrix. We're gonna build those and build the matrix. Jordy brought in a bunch of culverts and big ass tires. Let me walk over here and show y'all what we got so far. So course is gonna start right here. Kids track is right on the other side, main road right here, so you can come right off. Got epic dirt that'll be in here, so it should be good. There's a bunch of mesquite thorns we got to get out of here, but we'll clear it. So we got, so you're coming right there, culvert, and you got the two tires. Come around, then you're gonna, yeah, come around in a loop. So culvert, logs. I don't know if we're doing a matrix in this turn or if it's gonna be the backside, I can't remember. Then we got culvert, you gotta jump. So you gotta jump these. We're gonna build these up too. Then you got straightaway coming through here. A couple of the culverts are bigger than others, like this one's a lot bigger than those smaller ones. So we got, this is a good size culvert right here. And so then you come over that one, come around here in this corner. We're gonna have the matrix in this corner, right? Yeah, matrix is gonna be in this corner where you come around, and then you're gonna come back into here. And we got the big tires. We're gonna put the tires halfway in the ground so you can hit them and go up over them. They're big boys, big boy tires. So, and then you come over, come straight, and then we got, this is gonna be like, you jump the culvert, hit the top one, come over, and then you're gonna come around. I think we're gonna do another matrix on this corner, coming around this corner, and then we're gonna have like rocks. We're gonna pile up rocks in here that you go over, and then you're gonna have a little bit of a straightaway into a corner, coming right back into where the big tree is and starting back over. So it should be pretty epic. It should be epic. Jordy's already kind of paving the path right now with the skid steer. We just kind of got it laid out. We set them where we thought, you know, it'll be perfect. So we got the layout. Now we just got to grab dirt, you know, get these mesquites out the way and pave the way and build up the obstacles. With the logs we got over there that I showed you right at the beginning, we're gonna cut notches out of them and set them into each other on the matrix so they don't move, and that way we don't have to really tie them. It's gonna be epic. I'm gonna show you all the progression as the day goes on. Stay tuned. Yeah, buddy. I'm trying to think of something to make this tire cooler. I think we need to put a log in front of it and tire tap it. Our first gap here. So you're gonna jump it, clear it, and land on the other side over here. He's just building up the ramp right now for it. And then I'm gonna be the test culprit. I'm gonna be the test guy to see how we need to space them, if it's worthy enough. Here.
What do you think about doing something like that? So you got an approach and then leave a bit of a gap and down, or what?
So you almost gotta jump it?
Almost, yeah.
And then you're putting dirt in the middle of it?
Yeah, just a little bit in between.
Just a little bit? Yeah, I like that, yeah. Move it back a little. That was second gear. That was second gear.
Probably about
making some progress. Jordy's got the footage of me hitting the gap over here. We're testing how far to spread them. It didn't have no ramp on the end when I was hitting it. We're gonna spread these out a little. So you jump it, bigger one in the middle. We're just gonna put a little bit of dirt in the middle. So you pretty much gotta clear it. I like this. This will be cool. It's gonna come around, then you're gonna jump. This is the gap right here. It's super fun. And then we got the big tires right here. So one side's gonna be harder than the other. We got the big tire where you can just smash it, and then we got this side where it's got a little bit of dirt in front of it in case you're not as experienced. So one side will be a little easier. There's this gap jump right here. It's fucking epic. Oh yeah. And then so I just told Jordy we'll have culvert, and then we're gonna take the dirt out in front of both these tires now, the big tires, put a log in front of it, so you hit the log, tire tap into the log, drop down, and go over. Yeah. Second gear, just consistent throttle, and it goes right over it. Not too much. Don't off the lip, because it'll send you like this. Yeah. Just and then up a little bit, and then I'll, yeah, and don't lean back with. Jordy just got these tires put in the ground, so we got a nice little, gotta hit it, come over. Hey, I figured it out. The tires, yeah, take all the dirt out in front of it, put a log a little ways in front of it, you hit the log, tire tap into the log. Gotcha. And come in. Yeah, yeah, because it's we'll have a 5-foot off cut, put it there. Okay, here, it's way better. Alright, so here's what we got so far. We got culvert. Damn, that makes it up. Need a berm there. Into here, and we got the big tires. Dude, the big tires can fuck you up very easily.
Oh yeah.
If you don't hit it right. It'd be nice to have one more tire there.
Yeah.
In case you fuck up.
Well, it gives you the sensation that you don't have to worry about this direction. You just have to worry about that direction.
Yeah.
Because especially coming out of a log matrix on that corner.
Yep.
If you get caught off just a little bit, you're launching
And
off the side.
you're going sideways. Yeah. It's meant to be tough. The hardest thing on this is the tires.
Yeah.
So far. That's the hardest thing. Hey! You got one more big tire next time we come?
I can bring one, yeah.
It needs 3.
Nah.
You don't think?
Nah. You only ride over one of them.
Yeah.
You can do a single, really.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Nah, I think 2's plenty.
I just don't think nobody's gonna really hit it. I mean, I was just doing it, but
Yeah. It's not for everybody.
yeah. Things, we made this wider, spread these out with no really landing, so you just got to jump it and clear it. That you just have to judge. You got to tire tap it basically at the end. Jump it and tire tap it, or just clear it. Hear my tire hitting. I'll hitting it at speed. That's the thing, hitting all this and slowing down to the correct speed is an art of its own, because how do you hit this tire? You're gonna stop, come here. Same thing with like when you hit the gap here. You're gonna have a berm come in here. You're gonna pick up speed. I want another gap jump that's like spread out. Another gap jump would be cool. Like that one, but maybe do what we did with this and raise it up a little and make it where you can catch more air. Yeah, it's got a little bit more lip now. I like it better. Dude, if you hit it hard, it sends you.
Yeah.
It does.
Do it both ways.
Yeah.
I like that.
I'm landing way past it, right?
You're landing about where that root is.
So you think it needs a more on the backside?
Honestly, the way it is right now,
Yeah.
I kind of like it, because if you wanted to go this way, you could do it this way, and it's a little bit steeper launch.
True. True.
I mean, you could ride over it like I was doing, or jump it.
Or jump it. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know, maybe you'd want to try that, but
Because that's the thing. You either commit and hit it and land over it.
yeah,
Because there's not enough space.
there's no middle ground.
Like if these were spread out more, you could jump it better. It needed to be spread out more.
Yeah, I can see where, like, if they were
Because in order to hit,
gap right here, if it was another gap the same size on the other one.
yeah, they need spread out more. Like another 2 to 3 feet a piece.
Yeah, because if you ride it like I do, you can do it. If you ride it like you do, but if you go in the middle,
Yeah.
you're
See,
gonna land with your case right there.
I want to hit it and hit it hard at speed. Because imagine doing this fast. You're gonna land way out here.
Yeah. Oh, you were already like well, you can see kind of where.
Yeah, and I'm barely hitting it.
Yeah.
I'm barely hitting it.
Yeah.
So if you hit it hard. It'll break it. Hold on, let me see some. I like it. Hey,
I'm gonna do another one of them.
It would be cooler if it was higher off the ground.
Even higher?
Yeah.
So the next one we'll do even higher.
So let's leave this one easy. The next one, higher.
Alright, here it is, Twin Hills new Enduro cross track. You start roughly here under this tree. Single culvert, up into those big tyres. There's an easy and a hard, one with a kicker. Then there's a log matrix, a big T. And then there's a gap jump. It's about I don't know, close to a 10 to 12 foot gap jump. Then you come up over this big kicker here, which is about nearly 6 foot tall at the top, around that berm, over those two tyres, over that culvert stack, around the berm, single, big single, double, back around this berm, over that tabletop jump, and back to the start again.